Good morning, everyone. Let's get ready for church. As you can see, I am not at home. We are in North Carolina and we're going to a different church today, which is why I kind of have to whisper because everyone else is still asleep right there. The reason we're here was to surprise my daughter. And boy, did we surprise her. She goes to school in Alabama, but she was coming up to North Carolina for the weekend. We live about 4 hours away from here, so we had to come down and see her. And it was so good. She had no clue. And because I'm about to have 3 other people up trying to use this bathroom, I need to hurry up, so I'm going right in with makeup. So the initial plan was that we were going to surprise my daughter at church this morning. I don't know if I mentioned this, but she goes to school in Alabama, so we don't get to see her very often. And because she goes back to school today, we thought we were only going to get to see her for church and lunch. But my friend who she is staying with reached out and told me that they were going to finish up a little early, which literally almost being the exact time that we got here last night. So we were able to coordinate everything, and let me tell you, she was so surprised. And it's been about 7 weeks since we saw her for Christmas break, so I was missing her like crazy. She cried, we cried. I'm just so happy that it all worked out last night. So we ended up getting to spend a lot of time with her. We walked around after dinner. It was so fun. By the way, have y'all heard about the new Patrick Top blushes that have come out? Oh my gosh, I need them. Highlight. Someone's up. Take a morning. Say it again. Morning. Okay, brows are done. Today I'm using Beauty and the Beach. This is my Fun Beach palette. A lot of you, I guess, are newer followers and didn't even know that I had this palette. This is the first palette that I created with LADYCODE, and there are a limited supply available. I'm gonna do the shade Sangria on the lid. I mean, look how beautiful that is. This palette has my all-time favorite inner corner highlight, which is Coconut. A little boardwalk under the lower lash line. Makeup Forever Boundless Bisque in the waterline. Curl the lashes. Good morning. Someone doesn't want to be on camera. This is the Panorama mascara. It is so good. Pillow Talk lip liner and KimK lipstick. A little bit of Flawless Forget the Filler lip plumper. Airbrush Flawless setting spray. Makeup is done. Gonna attempt to get dressed in this bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna put this on, but I need to do my hair first. What was that? Was that a hidden talent? If I knew we were lifting up the blinds, I should have definitely come out here because the lighting's much better. I just washed my hair yesterday, so let's hope no refresh is needed. I'm legit down to my last drop of my Olaplex oil. Can I get it out? Oh no, there we go. I'm just gonna use that to smooth over. Good. Okay, necklace, earrings. Killian, I don't need a princess. No, I don't need a prince by my side. No, I have a prince right there. We're doing these boots today. Don't be annoying. Don't think I forgot about my vitamins. Okay. That's what we're working with. Slay! Slay! Happy Sunday!